Hello students, welcome back again. Now it's time to start the part 2 of the chapter 3 more about Windows 7. Now what you are going to be learn? In this chapter you will learn files and folders, creating a file, creating a folder, opening a file or folder and using context menu. Now let's start with files and folders. See, suppose you are having some documents, papers, okay, which contains some informations. For example, your results, some bills of your house. Okay, so these documents and papers are nothing but the files. Now, where you will save these papers? In your house, your dad is maintaining one folder. So for that you need some folders so that you can arrange your papers. So we can say that folder is like a cabinet where you keep the related files. Likewise, the same way, computer saves everything in the form of a file. A file is a collection of related information stored together. And folder is like a cabinet where we keep the relevant files. Now as shown in figure, all the icons that are in yellow colors are folders. So in folder there are some files and below all the icons that are not in yellow color are all files. So there is a difference between files and folders. Now a folder can also hold other folders. So it means that you can place other folders inside one parent folder. This a folder within a folder is called subfolder. Here the concept is clear that what is file and folder. So next step we will see how to create a file. The most common way to create a file is by using any application software. For example, Paint, Word, PowerPoint, Excel sheet, etc. Now let's see. First of all, open MS Word program. Now create a blank document in that as shown in figure. Now write some text. Okay, I am writing text as a Unnati English Academy. So if you want to create a file, you must have to open at least one application program. I have opened MS Word. Now, after writing your text, click on File menu. Then there are two options available, Save and Save As. You can choose any. So click on Save button. It will ask to open any folder in that you want to save your file. I am clicking on desktop, so I will save my file on desktop. In that you have to write down the file name. After writing file name, you have to click on save button. So this is the basic process of creating file. Now see, on the desktop my file is there, that is Unnati English Academy. So this way you can create your file. If you want to open your file, just double click on it. Okay, so student, clear how to create a file? To create a file, you must have to open at least one application program. You can open any, Paint, MS Word, etc. Now let's see how to create a folder. See, if you want to create a folder, first right click on the desktop. One context menu will come, then go to New and click on the command folder. As soon as you click on the folder will create it. It will ask for you to enter the folder name. I am entering my name, Jyoti. Okay, so my name folder is created on the desktop. So if you want to create your folder, you have to just right click anywhere and there is option available new folder. Now let's move further, see how to open a file or folder. See, if you want to open a folder, just double click on the folder. See, if you will double click on the folder, your folder will open. Okay? And if you want to close it, just click on close button. See, I am doing again. Just double click on the folder will open your folder. Now let's see how to open your file. If you want to open your file, the same process you have to follow. You have to just double click on the file. See, I am double clicking it. My file is open. If you want to close your file, just click on the close button on the top right corner. See, we are doing it again. Double click on the icon. Your file will be open. So if you want to open file or folder, the process is same. You have to just double click anywhere on the file or folder. Now let's see the next topic. Using context menu. Now what is this context menu? See, the context menu is also called shortcut menu. Okay, so just remember in your mind, context menu is equal to shortcut menu. A pop-up menu appears when you right click on an icon or desktop as shown in figure. Right clicking on different areas and objects will display different menus. Okay, so if you want to open the shortcut menu, you have to just right click on. See, this is my desktop. I am right clicking on it. See, this menu is appeared. Okay, I am choosing option personalize. Using the personalize option, you can change the background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, color, etc. and also give various visual effects to them. Likewise, the same way, if you will right click on any icon on the desktop, the different context menu will appear. So this is homework for you. You just try at your home. So I hope that the part 2 is clear to you all. Thank you for watching my video.